Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back, and I'm sure you're wondering why we see Goldie and an Amazon Prime box. And I had to bribe her to get her to stay, but she might stay. So anyway, today I'm going to be doing a review. In this huge box is a new light for my craft room from Neatfi.com. So I'm going to put all of their information in the description below, and then throughout the rest of the video, I'll give you the specs. And we're gonna have a giveaway. So not only do I have this lamp, but they have so generously offered to do a giveaway to give away the exact same lamp. So more details to come in the rest of the video. I'm just gonna say hi. Hi. She's so shy. Yes, you're so cute too. Okay, so here is the box for the Neatfi LED task lamp with clamp. That's the one I chose. I'm also going to link to the other one that they offered. So I got to choose. I chose between this one and one with a magnifying glass on it. And I thought for my YouTube videos that this one would probably be a little bit better than one with a magnifying glass. So here's some of the specs. There are several colors. So this one, I'm hoping it's white because I didn't remember to tell them that I wanted white, but they have black as well, silver and pink. And I think they have a couple other colors from what the box says. So I'll let you know that in just a few minutes. Okay, so it's 2200 lumens. It's an LED lamp and it clamps on to the desk. So yes, I was right. The colors are white, pink, black, silver, gray, rose gold, lavender, or midnight green. So they have a bunch of different choices. I'm gonna get this open. Let's see here. Looks like we can open it from this end. Trying out a new neck, and probably just making you seasick, but a new neck tripod. Kind of look a little crazy too. Okay, so setup was super easy. All I had to do was insert if we see this part right here, we had to clamp down the clamp. I put it on the back of my desk, and then I just inserted the lamp into the clamp and plugged it in. I have this on my desk for several reasons. And then it's huge. This is a really big lamp, and I put it up to get it out of the way, but I'm gonna turn it on. There is an on switch on the lamp head itself, so I'm going to stretch it down. There's the on switch, and that's the light. Look how bright that is. I'm going to turn off the room light. Look how bright that is. So I'm pretty sure Neatfi had seen a video or two on my channel where I'm complaining about my lighting. So what I'm going to do is get out my tripod. I'm going to test it out on a piece of jewelry, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, so this lighting is amazing. As you can see, I've always struggled with lighting on this channel. Well, since I had to move to lighting instead of sunlight because my room changed. But here, I'm gonna put out, I just have a bead board or bead mat here, but here's a strand of random crystals that I found. Here is a Zuni Bear pendant kit that I made and sold in my recent sale. Here's another one. This is amazing. I can see everything so clearly. All the colors are right. I'm always whining, you guys know it, about my lighting, and now I don't have to. And it's not in my way. I have been using 2 ring lights in my way for months, 7 months. And I can do this, and you don't see my light. You don't see my light. So we'll have some more, it's just going to be easier. It's going to be easier. I don't have to dread videotaping, Brittany. It's 2021. I don't have to dread filming because of my lighting. So I'm super excited. Here's another thing that I made for my sale, and you can see it. It's super clear. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I should have gotten one of these sooner, but you know, sometimes you get bogged down with reading reviews, and then I don't know if you do, but I get kind of just frozen. I don't ever know what's going to really work for my situation, but I'm telling you, this lighting is awesome, and I can get it really in there. And let me scooch in my camera, and we can still see everything. It's amazing. So thank you so much to Neatfi. We're going to get a giveaway, guys. I don't know if you remember that, but one lucky winner is going to win one of these lights. And right now it's going, I think, for like $105 on Amazon. This lamp can also be purchased at neatfi.com, amazon.com. I'll leave the links below, or they created a special affiliate link, so you can support my channel if you want to buy one of the lamps, and I'll link that information all in the description. Let me guys, let me know if you have any questions. I'll be happy to help. So to enter, please be a subscriber. And please like this video, and to enter, you also need to leave a comment. Tell me why you need a light. Do you need it because you don't have any windows? Do you need it because your lighting isn't working like mine wasn't? And would you use it for jewelry making, quilting, needlepoint, reading? Tell me. You could use this for anything. This would be great on a bedside stand too. You could just pull it right over. And I just love that I can push it out of my way when I don't need it. Oh, forgot. This has so many different settings. So I had it on the brightest setting. That's the second brightest. That's even dimmer. We have a lower setting, and it still looks great. That's I think the lowest setting, and it still looks great in my video. And that's off. So I'm so excited about this lamp. I've been wanting this for months, and I'm so glad that they reached out to me to do a review. Let me know what you think. Enter to win, and stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Yeah, he's a cutie. Yeah, you ready for mommy to be done? Yeah, hi. Look at that little tongue peeking out.
So cute. Hi, Goldie. Hi. Say hi to your friends.
He's so cute. Hello. Hello. Hi, babe.
Hi, baby. That little tongue. What?
Boop. Now boop your nose. Boop.